If you're wondering how to know when your painting is finished, some steps can be taken to help you get there. This video will help you know if your artwork is complete. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. We're here to tell you that there is no perfect time to stop painting. The only way to know when your painting is finished is if you feel like it's finished. You alone hold the key to knowing. There are many ways to know when a painting is finished. You'll have a better idea if your art is finished when you have a goal in mind and then figure out how to meet the goal by reverse engineering it. So, first, figure out what the goal is for your artwork. What do you want people to see when they look at it? Do you want them to feel a certain way? Or maybe you just want them to be able to identify what's in the picture. Once you know what you're trying to achieve, reverse engineer until you meet the goal. Write out steps like add more blue, or use brighter colors, and then execute them until they meet whatever objective you've set for yourself. You can ask yourself several questions to narrow down what is important to you. One way is to think about how balanced the image feels. Does one side look like it has more weight than the other? Does one part seem disproportionately large compared to another? Is there too much contrast between the lights and darks, or not enough? And does everything seem in proportion with itself? It's also important for highlights and shadows to look correct. Are they too dark or too light? Do they have enough contrast with each other? Do they look correct from different angles? And finally, depth of imagery. Do details feel flat or dimensional, or somewhere in between? It's okay if people don't understand what the heck it is they're looking at when they see your artwork. That doesn't mean that the piece isn't finished yet. It just means that maybe there's more work for you to do before anyone else can get it. And if another artist does say something about your work not making sense, consider asking them for a critique. They might have an idea about where exactly things went wrong. But don't worry, you're not alone in feeling like this. Every artist has felt this at some point. It's okay to ask for a critique from peers. We can help you find other artists who have been going through the same thing so they can give you constructive feedback on your work. Consider joining our artist promotion group on Facebook. It's a great place to share your art and get tips from other creatives who are also trying to level up their skills. Our community is a welcoming, safe space for new artists to spread their wings and level up their skills without fear of judgment or snarky comments from people who don't understand the process. Learn more about our communities by clicking the card in the upper corner of this video. It'll bring you to another informative tutorial outlining how we can help you. We hope this video helped you understand how to know when your painting is finished. If you learned something new, please consider subscribing to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Hit the bell icon to be notified of upcoming videos, and share this video with a friend who may need it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Begin your acrylic painting journey online by visiting acrylicartsacademy.com/free guides.